In this video tutorial, I'm going to show you how to add a hyperlink to a forum in Leo, and then how you can edit that hyperlink so that when somebody clicks on it, it opens in a new window. And this is all about learning how to use the Leo space effectively and how to make navigation through content that you add easy and intuitive for your readers. So what I'm going to do is add a URL or a hyperlink to one of the forums in week 4. So I've copied a URL for a previous activity that I've done, and then I'm going to go and add it into forum 4a. So you'll remember from the video about how to use Vocaroo, the final part of that was the generation of the URL and then copying that URL. What I'm going to do now is actually put this URL into a forum, and I'm going to show you how to put it into a forum and make it open up in a new window. So I click on Add New Discussion Topic, and I'm just going to call this Test. And I've copied, the last thing I did was I copied my URL, so I'm now going to paste that into the message. So this is a URL, and then I'm going to paste in my URL there. At the moment, if I was to then send that message and open it up, if I click on the link, it doesn't take me anywhere. So it literally is just the information of the link. There's no hyperlink in there that opens it up for me. So what I'm going to do now is I'm actually just going to go in and edit that and show you how to make it into a hyperlink. So I'm going to make sure that I've still got that URL copied. And then in this section of, so if you then highlight your URL, in this section just above there are a number of different icons, and the ones that we're particularly interested in are these 3 here. And out of those 3, the one that we want is the one that's called Insert Edit Link. So click on that. It looks like a little bit of chainmail. Click on that once, and it brings up a dialog box. Let me just see if I can make it any bigger. No, so it won't change size. So in this dialog box, you've got a number of areas where you can enter content into, and there's one called Link URL, which is the top one. Underneath General Properties, the first one is called Link URL. I'm going to click in that, and I'm going to paste the same URL into that particular area there. Underneath that content area, there's one called Target, and the default is open in its window or frame, which means that if I was to now save what I was doing, if somebody clicked on your link, it would overwrite the page they were on already. Now what we're doing here is we're actually operating in Leo, and we want our readers to go to another site, so it's better to make it open up in a new window. So I'm going to drop down the menu, and the second option down is open in new window. I'm going to click on that, and that's all I need to do. I'm then going to click on Insert down here on the left, and you'll see that the URL is blue. I'm now going to save changes or post my message, and when I now click on that URL, it'll open up in a new window. In this video I'm going to show you how to use Vocaroo, which is an online audio